creating web applications that provide end-user file upload functionality, there may be cases when you want to set restrictions on what types of files can be uploaded. The ASPxUploadControl provides you with built-in file validation mechanisms that you can use to easily enforce file upload restrictions in your ASP.NET solutions. In this video, you'll learn how to restrict upload of specific file types as well as files that are larger than a certain size. So let's get started. I'll start with a new ASP.NET application. From the toolbox, I'll drag and drop a new ASPxUploadControl onto the form. Notice that by default, the control's text field is pretty small. To change that, I set the size property of the control to 30. Next, I enable the Show Upload Button property so that the upload link is displayed. The upload control includes built-in validation functions that are accessible as part of the validation settings property of the control. The Allowed Content Types property can be used to set a restriction on which file types can be uploaded. Here, you can specify the accepted file types using their MIME content types. Let's see what the most popular content types are and what we can use for this demo. I close the collection editor, and from the Control Smart tag, click on the How to Set Allowed Content Types link. This will bring up the help documentation article that provides instruction on how to add allowed file content type as well as a list of the most popular MIME types at the bottom of the page. In this table, the file types, including the extensions, are listed on the left side. On the right, you'll find the MIME content type for each file type. This is what we'll need to enter in the Allowed Content Types property. For the purposes of this demo, I only want to allow Microsoft Word documents to be uploaded. I highlight and copy the corresponding MIME type. Back in Visual Studio, I set the Allowed Content Types property to the MIME type I copied earlier. I can also use the Max File Size property to specify a maximum file size limit in bytes. Furthermore, I can customize all of the validation error text that will be displayed by the control at runtime. These include the Not Allowed Content Type error text, Max File Size error text, General error text, and the File Does Not Exist error text properties. Next, I open the Control Smart tag and enable the Validation Error Preview for design time. I can also customize the error message. To do this, I expand the Validation Settings.ErrorStyle property and set the back color to yellow. And I'm done. I run the application to see the results. I click on Browse to locate a file to upload. You can see I have prepared 2 Word documents and 2 image files. I'll first upload a Word document that is 660 kilobytes in size, well within the maximum file size limit we set earlier. I click on the upload link and the file is uploaded without any errors. I click on Browse again and select the first Word document that is nearly twice as large as the file size limit set for the upload control. Upon clicking on Upload, I am presented with an error informing me that the file size exceeds the maximum allowed size. So we know that our file size validation is working. Now let's see the file content type validation in action. I click on Browse and select one of the image files. And you can see that after clicking on Upload, the control is telling us that that content type is not allowed. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing DevExpress.